Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed.
What up, y'all? So it's officially motherfreaking December the 30th, y'all. Like, I got my hair up in like this wrap or whatever because I kind of wanted to just wait until it was a little bit closer to New Year's Eve until I did my hair. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I want my hair to be fresh, baby. Like, stop playing with me, okay? I am about to just go ahead and get my planner together because I feel like I want my 2024 planner to just be already together before 2024 starts. You know, that way I could just go ahead and start documenting and doing what I need to do. So I'm gonna just kind of give y'all like a little glimpse of how I'm getting my planner together and stuff like that tonight. And then later today, technically, I'm gonna, after I go to sleep and get up, I am going to get up and I'm going to do my hair, y'all. Now, the real full video will be on my Locx channel, which I'm gonna have right here. You know what I'm saying? The name of my Locx channel or whatever. My Locx channel right here, y'all. Okay, and I will also have my Locx channel in my description bar. I'm gonna have the full video of how I did my hair in the description in here so I can follow my Locx channel, because I'm trying to grow that channel. And you know, that channel is literally just everything Locx with my locks and stuff, you know. All right, y'all, so I got my planners right here in front of me and I'm sitting in my bed or whatever, and while I got my planners about to go ahead and like get my shit together, I'm over here watching Housewives of Atlanta. No, I am not caught up on the most recent season. I, believe it or not, never really watched the Housewives of Atlanta. I've never really watched it, so I am literally starting from the first season, y'all. And right now I am on, is this Peacock? Yeah, I'm on Peacock. And they actually have all seasons on Peacock. So if y'all got Peacock, the premium Peacock, you could definitely watch it from season 1 all the way to the most recent season. So yeah, y'all, that is where I'm at on the Housewives of Atlanta. And while I am doing my journal, that's what I will be watching, you know, just to give me my nice little vibe or whatever. That's what I've been doing. So I'm finna show y'all what I'm doing up close. So I'm in my bed, so of course, you know, y'all gonna see that. But this right here is my old planner. This is my old planner. The old one that I had, is all of it has been written in all the way up until now, which is December. You know what I'm saying? It's just literally written in. So this planner is about to be over and done with. So bam. This is the new planner that I bought, and it says make today amazing. That's just what it says on the front. And you know, of course, my planner has pockets. It has the pockets in the front and it also has pockets in the back. And you know, I've already put my little tabs, as you guys can see. Sorry, y'all. I've already put my little tabs on it, you know, for the months and everything. Now the stickers came. You see these stickers? This is where the stickers come from, y'all. So like it comes with stickers and you can like put the stickers and stuff on it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna go through my planner and just write out, you know, just everything. I'm just trying to like at least have my planner a little organized or whatever before January 1st, because you know, I like to be very organized. Honestly, I kind of already want to have my January 1st, like my January month. I kind of want to already have everything like planned out so far as like my content, what I'm going to be doing, so far as YouTube videos, so far as like content for my for Mona B Kollectionz, my business, and just you know, just everything that I want to do. I want to have it already done for the month of January. So I'm mainly focusing on January right now because that is where we're approaching, you know. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into that. Hey loyalty gang, y'all. So it is Sunday. It is finally December 31st. It's New Year's Eve, y'all. I know I said I was gonna come back on Saturday and do my hair, but y'all, I got a little lazy, I'm not gonna lie. But it's New Year's Eve. It's actually like around 6:30 in the evening. The New Year's Eve party that we are supposed to be going to starts at around 10. Now y'all know black people, I'm not, well, at least me, I ain't getting there right at 10 o'clock now. I'm not fit to be the early bird, but plan on trying to at least get there by like 11 at, you know, because we do want to get there and be there for at least about an hour or so before the countdown and stuff like that. So we're trying to get there for 11. She doesn't really stay, my friend Crystal, shout out to you, girl. She does not stay far from us, so she like 2 miles away from us, so it's not even gonna take us that long to get to her. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to do my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of clips of me doing my hair. I was supposed to do my nails, but I'm not gonna lie, your girl just did not get to that, you know what I'm saying? So this is not really a full out maintenance vlog. It's just kind of like a little weekend vlog or whatever you want to call it, just a normal vlog or whatever. Not sure what I'm gonna call this vlog, but whatever I call this vlog, that's what it is. And so yeah, I'm about to do my hair like I said, and so I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I just want to show y'all my outfit, baby, because this is what I am wearing tonight for New Year's Eve. You know what I'm saying? It's a cute like money dress, and it's like a bodycon fitted dress. It's kind of see-through because the material is kind of sheer. And it just has like $100 bill print on it. Super cute, and it, like I said, it is a little see-through, so I will be, of course, you know, putting something up under it, you know, that way it won't look too like, you know. But you guys will definitely see how your girl look with it on. This is my outfit though, y'all. Hey y'all, so this is what your girl is looking like. This is like the end result, you know what I'm saying? I kind of tried to do like a cute little bun over here to the side or whatever. I kind of tried to switch it up a little bit, so that's what I did. And I moved all of my bangs over to the side. So this is the look that I'm going for tonight. Of course, I have my outfit on, y'all. My cute little dress, baby. Yes, looking so cute. I ain't gonna lie, feeling like a million motherfucking bucks, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I am just so ready for tonight, and it's just so ready for 2024. Like, I'm ready for 2024. So I will definitely be back with you guys later. I'm probably not gonna bring my camera with me later because I'm not gonna lie, it's probably gonna be a lot going on. So if I do get some footage, it's gonna be on my phone. If not, I'll be back with you guys once I get back home. Peace, y'all. My night was fucking amazing. My night was good. It was great. Y'all, I am back at home, and it is like fucking 6:30 in the fucking morning. Like, literally, it is officially January 1st, as you guys can see. Monday, January 1st, 6:32 in the motherfucking morning, y'all. I got home about an hour ago, no lie. I done took a bath and everything. I done got myself together. As you guys can see, I got on my little cute little, you know, wrap everything, towel or whatever. I'm in the bed, you know what I'm saying? I really had a good time tonight. I really did. With my family, with my auntie and my godfather, and you know, Byron was there with me, you know, of course. So we all, you know, we all had a great time. So I'm probably about to go ahead and just go ahead and go to bed because I'm tired. And yeah, I'm just super fucking tired, y'all. Tomorrow when I get up, I'm definitely going to do my daily routine because today is January 1st, technically. So I'm going to go ahead and start all of my daily routines today. Like everything that I said I was going to do, I'm finna start it today. Also, I'm going to cook my January 1st meal, my New Year's Day meal. You guys are going to see me cook in the morning. Well, not in the morning, but tomorrow. Y'all gonna, well, today, later today. I keep saying tomorrow, but it's actually today. You get what I'm saying? But y'all gonna see me cook, and y'all gonna see me cook some y'all gonna see me cook some black-eyed peas and rice, greens, along with some fried chicken. So it's just like some simple, nice New Year meal. I'm not gonna have like no chitlins and all that stuff. I really do not know how to make chitlins, I'm being honest though. I honestly had just got back into eating chitlins, to be honest, because I really wasn't really eating them like that, you know what I'm saying? But Byron mama made them so good, and they was so good that she made me like them. She really made me like chitlins. That's so crazy. But
Mr. G is with you. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might jump my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls that want too many tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the floor, but I love me a Christian. He on my dick and shit, my little secret. Trying to dish me, know about peeping. I can't respond with this boy what you pick with. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I sit in the hill, I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talking my artist, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep got 10 on my mind, I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind, should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life, amen.
What up, Loyalty Gang, y'all? So it is New Year's Day, you know what I'm saying? And as you guys saw in the previous clips, your girl is in there cooking. Okay, I'm cooking it up, getting a New Year's Day meal going. It ain't nothing too major, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty much just doing the traditional black eyed peas with rice. I'm doing greens, and I'm also doing like fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have fried chicken. I really wish I would have got some cornbread on the cool, but I'm not going back to the store, so we just gonna pretty much do without the cornbread. But it would have been great to have it, and that's gonna be our New Year's meal, y'all. Right now, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's probably like around 6 of them in the evening. I'm not really going nowhere today, but you know, as an influencer, you know what I'm saying, I am gonna go ahead and get dressed and get myself together because I do want to take some pictures for my Instagram. So I'm trying to get better, you know what I'm saying. This is the first day of the year, and I definitely want to start the new year off just doing what I said I was gonna do. So I'm doing it, okay? So I'm about to get myself together, get cute or whatever. I really don't know what the hell I'm gonna wear. Y'all gonna see it when y'all see it. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Ooh.